middle hill climb. I've done the one on the right before, up there. It eases off a bit near the end, which helps a lot. I did it with the Geo, so I'm gonna go for the middle one with the IT, which is much harder. It's very loose soil. I just hope I can make it. I did it. Oh yeah, I just screamed it up that. Man. The other one's over there, the one that I did with the Geo 250. See if I can make it up this one. It's freaking gnarly. It's got ruts, really loose soil, rocks. Let's see if I can make it. Popped me up when I hit that bank. The bike just popped me off the seat. I wasn't even on the seat planted though, but it just popped me up. Third gear. It's too fast to hit this one. It doesn't matter if I'm sitting or not, because it pops pops my legs off the pegs. Okay. Not gonna be able to go as fast because I'll just get bucked off. The soil's too loose. Oh man. Gotta get down this crap. The soil's just too loose, there's too many rocks. You can't just whip up it when there's this many rocks.